Hi everyone, I'm Sylvester Sabatil and I want to present the project I've been recently working on together with Professor James McClelland and Professor Trygve Solstad, namely on emerging representations for counting in a neural network model. So formally, counting means to assign number words to entities with certain constraints, such as that each entity is corresponded to exactly one number word and that the order of the number words must follow a fixed sequence. These principles can then be applied to any kind of entity. However, children usually do not learn counting by explicitly telling them these principles, but exposing them to many examples. So in this work we asked the question, can abstract representations for the concepts of counting emerge in a neural network agent when trained to perform different counting-related tasks? Therefore, we implemented a model for multimodal interactive environment with automatic solving algorithms for different counting-related tasks, such as reciting n number words, counting temporally distributed events, counting spatially distributed objects, and giving n objects from a source location to a target location. We trained the depicted neural network model with a standard supervised learning scheme where the automatic solving algorithms are providing the teaching signal. In the following, we will see which internal mechanisms the network learned to solve all these tasks. By analyzing the visual representation layer of a successfully trained network with the so-called Hinton diagram, we could identify nodes that are only active when there is no entity to count. Further, we can see that these nodes are connected to the number words via large negative weights. Thus, if there is no entity to count, the verbal output will be suppressed. A further analysis revealed that there are nodes which do not distinguish the type of entity in the different tasks. Similar analysis on the language representation of the network, the Hinton diagram and correlation matrices revealed first that numbers are represented in the language channel, and second that the number representation is shared over all tasks. So indeed, we found counting related concepts such as the entity to number word assignment in the visual representation and the number word representation in the language channel of the network. Further, we discovered that some of these representations are independent of the kind of entity and thus abstract. So that's it. If you have questions about this project, I'm happy to discuss this with you during the summer school. Thank you.